Welcome to the Doba tutorial. Today we will learn something about Doba pricing plan. You may see pricing on Doba's homepage. Click it and you will open the pricing plan page. On this page, you may take a glance at all the plans, including their prices and benefits. And scroll down the page, you will find some FAQs, such as how to change or cancel your plan. There are 4 pricing plans: free trial, startup, business, and enterprise. Each plan has different price packages and functions. You may choose the most suitable package for yourself. Free trial will give you a chance to try the basic functions of the amazing dropshipping experience Doba offers for 14 days for free. You may add some products to your inventory list, download some products, get notified when products change, view the curated product list, and enjoy omni-channel support. But you can't get alerts after new products are published, connect any of your online stores, or use the list to store option to directly publish product listings to your stores. You can't enjoy inventory syncing, order syncing, tracking syncing, dedicated account manager support, or the bulk order placing function either. Subscribing to any of the 3 paid plans gives you access to features such as product notifications, curated product list, inventory syncing, order syncing, tracking syncing, omni-channel support, dedicated account manager, and bulk order upload. The enterprise plan also includes a fully automated API. Next, let's see the details of every paid plan. The startup plan is suitable for dropshipping newcomers. It costs $29.99 per month if you pay monthly, $67.99 per quarter if you pay quarterly. That is $22.66 per month on average. $240.90 per year if you pay annually. That is $20.07 per month on average. This plan allows you to add up to 60 products to your inventory list and export and download the product data of 30 items every month. You can get alerts for 2 keywords and 5 suppliers after new products are published. And you can connect one of your online stores and use the list to store option to directly publish 30 products to your store. The business plan is the most popular option. It costs $49.99 per month if you pay monthly, $127.47 per quarter if you pay quarterly. That is $42.49 per month on average. $479.88 per year if you pay annually. That is $39.99 per month on average. This plan allows you to add up to 5,000 products to your inventory list and export and download the product data of 2,000 items every month. You can get alerts for 5 keywords and 10 suppliers after new products are published. And you can connect 5 of your online stores and use the list to store option to directly publish 2,000 products to your stores. The enterprise plan is suitable for those with their own e-commerce website and large amounts of orders and products. It costs $299.99 per month if you pay monthly, $2,999.88 per year if you pay annually. That is $249.99 per month on average. This plan allows you to add up to 15,000 products to your inventory list and export and download an unlimited amount of product data every month. You can get alerts for 10 keywords and 20 suppliers after new products are published. And you can connect an unlimited amount of your online stores and use the list to store option to directly publish an unlimited amount of products to your stores. Besides, you can enjoy the exclusive function, fully automated API product listing, product updating and order placement. This will save you a ton of time. And it is the ultimate plan on Doba. In summary, Doba offers a range of pricing plans to suit different needs. In the following videos, we will show you how to subscribe, change or cancel a plan. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.